Not only will it be of service to the citizens in easing their ability to access government services, but it will also be useful to various other sectors. You know, for example, today you rely heavily on IPRS, yes? Okay? But now we have taken IPRS to a completely different level. Like when a customer walks in, this is going to be your best way to know your customer. Because when a customer comes in, he will be coming in with a card that has his biometrics, that has his details. So it will increase your confidence in dealing with your customer without having to go through a myriad different checks. Right? So again, that will reduce your cost of doing business, make it more efficient, and this use of technology, which is where